In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a reservation on booking.com. If you need to update a trip you already booked, booking.com makes the process fairly straightforward as long as your reservation allows changes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go and what to look for so you can make updates confidently. To begin, head to the official booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the correct site and ready to access your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in before you can manage any existing reservations. This is important because your booking details are stored inside your account and you'll only be able to edit trips that are linked to it. After that, go to your profile area. This is usually located in the top part of the page and it's where you can access your personal account options. Click on your profile to open the menu. If you're using the mobile app instead of the website, the wording and layout may look a little different, but the process is very similar. From the profile menu, click on Bookings and Trips. This section contains your current and upcoming reservations, and it's the main place where you can review or manage any booking you've already made. Once you're there, look through your reservations and select the one you want to change. After opening the reservation, look for an option such as Modify or Change Dates. The exact wording can vary depending on the property and the type of booking, but it should be clearly related to editing the reservation. From there, you may be able to update your travel dates, change the room type, or adjust guest details directly on the website or in the app. As you go through the changes, pay close attention to any notes on pricing or availability. In some cases, changing your reservation may affect the total cost, especially if the new dates are more expensive or if a different room type is selected. Also, some bookings come with restrictions, so you may find that certain reservations can only be changed within specific rules, or not at all. Before confirming anything, take a moment to review the updated details carefully. Make sure the dates, guest information, and room selection are all correct. That final review can help you avoid mistakes and save time later. And that's how to change a reservation on booking.com. Once your updates are confirmed, you should receive an updated booking summary reflecting the changes.